Hi friends, welcome to Pen-of-Jordan. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Airmail Wality 70TG. And here T means transparent and G stands for the golden finish. And this is a golden blue marble finish cap. And this pen has a golden trim set where the clip is in golden color and the golden color ring in the cap. And there is a breather hole in this cap and which will prevent the ink from clogging, and it maintains a balanced atmospheric pressure so that the ink does not leak or burn ink through the nibs. And here the pen held in the thread type mechanism in the body, and to open you have to unscrew the cap. And this is number 4 nib, which is gold plated and fine tip. And you can swap the nib as you like, since we have number 4 nibs in many brands, and that is maximum pen lovers will swap with candid nibs, and where you can find fine, medium, broad, and flex too, and in also golden, dual tone, and silver nibs. So that's upon your wish. And you can go to our site and click pen spares, and then you can go to nibs, and then you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And yeah, this pen has a small holding grip portion, so this is more suitable pen for the little fingers like school going children, and also for the beginners. And yeah, the reservoir capacity is more, so you can fill more inks, like more than 3 ml. And also please note, since this is a transparent body pen, please do not use primary color ink, so that it will create a strain on the wall of the pen. So then, on pen maintenance, please wash the pen regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on long usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing. So it is a sign, and slowly the ink will dry quickly. Then you may have to shake the pen for the ink flow. So to avoid this, you can wash this pen at least twice a month. And the reason here is blockage in the feeder groove. So to clean the deposits and the dirts, please remove the feeder unit and the nib separately by holding this nib and feeder together and twist and pull. Yeah, this is so simple. Yeah, you can hold this tightly and twist and pull. Yeah, you can easily take out the feeder and the nib unit from the grip. Yeah, and then you can again easily fix this also. This is simple 2 minutes process. Then you can flush the feeder with the help of toothbrush or any brush that you have, and clean it well with soap water or in tap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for 1 hour and brush and clean. And in the ink bottles itself, you can notice um, on every fill it is recommended to clean and clean the pen with water, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And again, on maintenance, all the threads are tend to worn out, so to increase the thread's life, please apply silicone grease or Vaseline over this portion on every time when you opening and closing the grip area during the ink fill. And whenever you fill the ink, please fill below the inner threads of this barrel. So if you fill in excess, leakage path will be created and you will spoil your hands. And here also a few nibs needs to be fine-tuned, because during manual assembly of nibs the tines may stick together, So gently push the tines up and down like this, so that it will create a space between the tines, and which allows a good flow of ink, and in turn you will get a smooth writing. And please ensure both the tines are parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And whenever we dispatch the pen to our customers, we used to do this fine tuning, and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And here I'm going to give a writing sample. For that I'm going to use our Penhouse Emerald Green. Here I'm dipping and draining the excess. Yeah, super. The pen is so smooth as butter. Yep. If you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can call us in our number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.